Alright, so these were the results from that auto body puller I rigged up just real fast. If you need to get back on the road, I made a video showing just like a way to pull your subframe out with some cheap Harbor Freight stuff. Door's locked. Yeah, so it has new grille, new headlights, new bumper, new hood. Put that scoop in there. Take a look at it. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it'll get you back on the road. See, that's the fender that got pulled back out, so that you saw in the previous video. Yeah. So that's it. Alright. Thanks for watching.